what happens when an examiner is coming from outside, he or she furnishes an information bank account. We need to rely on him. We would not question, आपने दिया, मैं कैसे क्वेश्चन करूं, right? But उसको मुझसे नहीं, क्योंकि पेमेंट फिर एक दूसरा अकाउंट में चला जाएगा. ये हमको सिर्फ ये देखना है कि ये इंफॉर्मेशन जो हमको उसमें डालना पड़ेगा, ईज ऑफ डूइंग हो जाएगा, बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. पहले जो बहुत पुराने सर लोग मेरे से भी बड़े हैं, मेरे साथ में घूम के हैं, अगर हम और आप सर कितने दिन लग गए थे अकाउंट बनाने में, और यार 3 दिन लग गए. So this is, we have already done, we already done for the PA last time, second exam, term 2 exam. We need to create a badge, and when we would be creating a badge for the e-practical portal is there. E-practical portal is there. If we need to create a badge, say mathematics, which does an external examiner 241 or 241 internal examination. So we would be creating a badge in e-practical mode, right? There what we are supposed to put in, we need to put in the name of internal examiner 1. Here's another new one. This will not be there. In case of more than one observer performs duty in a school on a selected date, more than one observer can be added by entering details again and clicking on add button. So if on one particular day practical for 2 different subjects was conducted, this IPS is picking up the data of one observer only this time, right? This has been choose respective type of payment and click on the find button. Respective type of payment means so please reports. This is again a drop down, right? Here the external examiner, observer, and school payments. School payments. These 3 are there. 1, 2, 3. Say external examiner. We need to click at external examiner. External examiner. All the external examiners data would come, and we need to freeze. So सिर्फ अभी एक्सटर्नल एग्जामिनर का फ्रीज होगा, सिर्फ एक्सटर्नल एग्जामिनर का फ्रीज होगा. ऑब्जर्वर का फिर से इसी प्रोसेस में जाना पड़ेगा, दोबारा ऑब्जर्वर का फ्रीज करना पड़ेगा. स्कूल पेमेंट फ्रीज डेटा में 3 बार ऐसे ये जितने फंक्शनलीज होंगे अलग अलग इंफॉर्मेशन हमको करना होगा. ठीक, अच्छा, जब हम फ्रीज कर रहे हैं, now the detail of all the external examiner will come like this here. When you put external examiner और मिशन रखा हुआ है, ऐसा ही हमारे पास होम स्क्रीन आ जाएगा. ठीक है ना? अब हमको लगता है कि इंफॉर्मेशन तो हमने सेट करी, बट इन बिटवीन इफ वी कम टू और वी फाइंड आउट दिस थिंग, ओके, someone's number is wrong, second observer's account, third is observer date, then freeze report and final report. These are the different modules where we need to see. This system is very comprehensive, but it is very easy. The ease of doing the work is over there. System will collect the information, system will calculate the information. Earlier we used to, okay, 9 people at the rate of this, we were supposed to calculate. Now you need not to calculate. We auto calculated, system will pick up. Things have been programmed in such a way that amount will be over there. You just need to do, okay, this examiner came on this day, this assistant superintendent, invigilator, or any beneficiary or any exam functionary work on this day in this capacity, right? And the amount will be calculated auto calculate. Amount will automatically come over there. Right? Next slide. The first is like we need to create through examination sangam. Examination sangam for the practical examination. There is another portal called examination sangam. Right? Over there we need to create a batch. We need to create a batch for all the practicals, batch for physics, chemistry, and all the subjects, class 10, etc. Right? So we need to